Okay, so I just wanted to share a perfect example illustrating what I just talked about yesterday, which is when kids don't finish their meals. So my kids hardly ate anything for lunch today. That's not nice. And so I just put all 3 of their lunches. Oh, and by the way, they were totally acceptable lunches. They were even what they asked for lunch. So I don't know why they didn't eat, but they didn't. So I put them all of the lunches back in the fridge, and now it's 2:30, and they are all hungry, of course. So I told them they couldn't have a snack until they at least ate more of their lunch. I mean, they have almost a whole yogurt here. They each have a sandwich, and they have veggies. So, Owen, you need to sit down, please. And so, you know, I got a little sass about it, but then I said, okay, well, then you can have a snack. And then they decided to eat. So, try it, guys. It does work.